Hello friends, I welcome you all in this video. In this video, I will explain you how we can import data in SPSS. So, to import data in SPSS, firstly, you need to open a fresh file. When you will open a fresh SPSS file, so this dialog box will appear on your screen. From this dialog box, if you want to open some existing file, you can select that source, or if you want to open some another kind of file, you can go with the second option. And if not, so you need to just cancel it out, and we will be here with the fresh file on SPSS. Now, to import data in SPSS, there are two ways. The first one is we need to go in the file menu. You need to just click on the file menu, then go to the open option, and corresponding to open option in this arrow, you need to select the data. When you will click on data, one more dialog box will appear on your screen. So this is the first way. Second way is in this bar you can see there is a folder icon. So you can also click on this folder icon to open a file or to import a file in SPSS. So you can see same type of dialog boxes appeared here. Here you need to give the location from wherever you want to pick the file. So here in lookin, we have to give the location. So I am selecting my location wherever my file is situated. So my file is on desktop. So for the purpose, I am selecting desktop. So as I have selected desktop, you can see there are several folders are appear. My file is in SPSS Students Workshop folder. So for the purpose, I am double clicking this particular folder. After double clicking, you can see no file is visible here. So why? What is the reason? Because you can see files of type is .sav, means extension is .sav. So it is only allowing me to open .sav, but SPSS has the option to import some various kinds of files. So when I have clicked on this, so several extensions I can see here. These extensions are supported by the SPSS, means file with these extensions I can open in the SPSS file. So my file extension is .xls, that is my file is Excel. So for the purpose I am selecting this. As I have selected this, so you can see Excel file is now visible. So I have to just click on this, select this particular file and click on open. As I will click on open, SPSS will show one more dialog box. In that it will ask me the worksheet and also the showing me the maximum width of the string column. So I am okay with the whatever is the setting. So I am just clicking on OK. As I will click on OK, the output window of this SPSS will indicate you that your data is imported in SPSS file. So this is the message given by the SPSS. Now I want to look at my file. So for the purpose, I need to go to my file. So that way you can come here and see whatever data was there in my Excel file, all the data is imported here. So this way we have imported data in SPSS file. So if you want to import data in SPSS file, these were the two ways which I have shown you. Or if you want to enter manual data, or if you want to enter data by your hands, so you can just type the data from your keyboard and enter your data. So this is all about this video in which I've tried to explain you how we can import the data in SPSS. I hope the content of this video would be useful for you and it has given you proper understanding that how we can import data in SPSS file. For more such videos on SPSS, you can subscribe my channel Dr. Chanchal Jain. Thank you all for watching this video and giving your precious time. Thank you.